Beg your pardon. Beg pardon.
Beg your pardon.
Beg your pardon.
Beg pardon?
Beg your pardon.
Beg your pardon?
I beg your pardon.
What? Beg your pardon.
Beg your pardon.
Beg your pardon?
Beg your pardon? I beg your pardon.
Beg your pardon. Beg pardon. ارجو عفوك. لم اسمعك.
Beg your pardon. لم أسمعك. لم أفهمك.
Yes, it does.
لم أسمعك.
You're sitting on it.
لم أفهمك.
Beg pardon?
Move.
Beg pardon.
Anchor's away, Captain. We're sailing off at once.
Well, that's a first.
لم
I
أفهم.
beg your pardon.
Never saw a postman looking more miserable leaving than on the day they came in.
I've got the house for you.
I beg your pardon?
CD.
Oh, yeah, that.
Had enough, you know.
I think you can do better, Ted.
I beg your pardon?
I don't see anybody headed for the door. Listen to me. It's just like trying to fuck a Catholic girl who keeps saying, no, 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 I don't want.
I beg your pardon. You must be joking. Ha ha ha! Peter Pan has a real problem.
Ow! Wait!
Beg pardon?
Mr. Wolf may be a savage beast, basically walking dog.
Why is your cousin such a wet sandwich?
I beg your pardon?
What's that mean?
That means I didn't understand what you just said. A wet sandwich?
Yeah, a wet sandwich. He's too short, he dresses like a girl.
Neil. Beg your pardon?
Ignorant and totally lacking in social grace. But I console myself with the facts.
Beg your pardon? Beg your pardon?
I'm not leaving.
I beg your pardon?
I'm not leaving.
Why not?
I'm frightened.
Of what?
I fear this may be the last.
As if I were selling buttons at the door.
Beg your pardon?
You've changed. I'm not entirely for the better.
Honestly, oh dear God, what have you done to your fingernails?
I beg your pardon.
This diabolical varnish, the colour is completely wrong.
Oh, really, don't you?
I beg your pardon.
I beg your pardon?
I beg your pardon?